100,000 years ago, at least 6 human species walked the planet. Today, only one remains. Us, Homo sapiens. Why? That is the question that Yuval Noah Harari's book, Sapiens, tries to answer. And oh boy, does it do it well. This book was published in 2015 and became an instant blockbuster in the publishing market because of the fact that the complex past of humankind has been brought together in one book so masterfully that anyone, the average Joe, can understand it. You see, humankind has a very complex history which has 3 phases as told in this book. The cognitive revolution, which is basically our effect on thinking, the agricultural revolution, which everybody knows about when we transition from hunting gathering to agriculture, and number 3, the scientific revolution, which is still going on today, which started about 500 years ago. Now, Yuval Noah Harari's point is that because the Homo sapiens have a few qualities which even the other human species did not, much less the animals, is the reason why we are the most dominant species on the planet now. 70,000 or 100,000 years ago, Homo sapiens were no different than any animal. But 3 things defined us. Number 1, our ability to cooperate. If you put 100 or 1,000 chimpanzees and humans together side by side and notice the results may not be very different at all. But if you put it on a large scale of lakhs, crores, millions, billions, that is when you'll notice the difference. The only other animal or organism on earth which can even come close to matching the humans' cooperation are the ants, while the humans reign supreme in the larger mammals category. Our ability to cooperate has led to many things like infrastructure, these recordings, everything you think of as a daily necessity is because of our cooperation. Number 2, which is very interesting, our ability to imagine. You may find out that company, the entire idea of a company, the entire idea of money, it's completely make-believe. There is nothing physical about it. It's completely make-believe and based on trust. Religion, it's the same thing. Writing, fiction, it's all the same thing, but that is the reason why human communities have come together and made civilizations. That is why civilizations like the Indus Valley civilization, the Egyptian civilization, the Greek civilization, the Roman Empire, that is the reason why millions or billions of people were able to come together and stay together. And that is what Sapiens tells us. The third and final part is how we kind of have scammed ourselves, and this may be the most controversial part in the book, which is a 50-50 side on what your opinion is. Here it is said that the agricultural revolution was a bit of a scam for humankind. It compares the hunter-gatherer life to the agricultural life and points out the benefits of being hunter-gatherers. Now, I'm not going to say anything about that because that is completely based on one's own opinions and you have to form them yourself. There are actually 3 parts in this series, but this is by far the most famous and I would probably say it's the best also. Then you may ask, what about other events? What about the psychology of human beings? It also displays that. In its numerous chapters, it points out many things like the human's creativeness with excellent examples like there is basically a system between tree animals like monkeys that if a massive predator comes along near them, they have a system to warn themselves through sounds so that all of them can escape. For example, a monkey through sound may be able to point out there's a lion near the river, which automatically sends out signals to the other monkeys in their thoughts that they should run away. But a monkey cannot point out something that simply does not exist. Another example would be, for example, if we daydream that in tomorrow's match, my favorite team will win. They will win like this, they'll win like that, many things, and this as well is based on imagination and absolutely nothing else. And that is why the Sapiens is able to very well display the entire history of mankind. Thank you very much. Follow for more. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more book reviews like this, and do consider reading this.